Hello my friends, welcome to Forex WithKS. Today is 15th of October 2022. So today's Forex forecast is for next week, 17th to 21st of October. So did you guys trade the CPI report on Thursday? So if you trade it, it's a disaster, right? The market took out both, okay? Thursday and Friday, the market took out both the bulls and the bears and the bulls, right? So that's why I said don't trade the news. Okay, trading the news is one of the best, worst idea. But unless you are fast enough, to scalp a little bit, probably can. Okay, but if you are going for a swing trade, a lot of time, okay, you will be get killed not one time, two time, three time. I've done that before. Okay, when the market starts to drop, big drop, I quickly go and sell. Okay, suddenly the market U-turn, okay, reverse to a buy. Okay, so I thought, oh, I lost this much money, so I quickly reverse my position. Okay, want to make back whatever I lost, so I quickly turn to buy. Then after you buy, the market drop again. Okay, so don't trade the news. Okay, before we start. I'm sure you guys, if you guys traded on Thursday and Friday, Thursday and Friday, right? I'm sure that during the news and the day after the news, I'm sure you guys get hit very hard.
Disclaimer: be advised that I am not a professional financial consultant or advisor. I am sharing this information for education purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, prices, or other information contained on this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including without limitation to any loss of profit, money, asset or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video.
Okay. So take a quick look what happened. Let's see. Okay, EURUSD. Okay, Thursday. What happened after the CPI numbers, right? The CPI numbers happened on Thursday. After the CPI number release, everyone's short. Okay, everyone, because CPI numbers was 8.2. Okay, they expected 8.1. Okay, sorry, 8.1. Okay, but 8.1, but it came 8.2. Hot, quite hot, just slightly below 8.3, the previous result, right? Okay, so this is quite bad, and the core CPI also quite high. So everybody started to sell. Okay, all the short. Okay, initially I thought, oh, this is sure going down. Of course, I'm not trading. I say, wow, look at that. Okay, we got consolidation here. Okay, the price broke through consolidation. The thing is like quite a sure thing is coming back down. What happened? Boom. Okay, the market makers push it up. So take out all the short here, all gone. Okay, all the short here, stop loss over here, right? All who start to sell the short term, stop loss over here. So reverse, all these got killed. After got killed, you see, wow, a bullish pin bar, right? Okay, a bullish tail bar, okay, at support. This is a sure thing. I'm gonna sell this. Okay, I'm gonna sell this, right? Okay, so they start selling here. The next day they start selling. They start buying. Sorry, so buy. What happened? The market push it down, so die one more time. So I want to revenge, right? This one sure thing. I want to revenge. I lost a lot of money here. I lost 10,000 here, maybe. Okay. I do a big sell over here. I lost $10,000 on a trade. Then I want to make back, so I want to this trade up is a sure thing now. Okay, because the market reverse, I want to put another 20,000. Okay, to hit back at the market and make my and I recover my 10,000 loss and get another 10,000 profit. Right. So what happened? The market goes down again. Similar, you look at this one, Nasdaq. Okay. Nasdaq also after the news came, big drop. Okay, then when it reached 10,508, the same day it went back up. So all the short, okay, gone. Okay, all the short gone. those who start to sell short, okay, who didn't take profit in a very, very short time, okay, thinks that this one is going to go down, continue, okay, all got killed, okay, liquidated, okay. Then after that, okay, the next open candle Friday, this is a sure thing, we got a pin bar as support, okay, we got a pin bar as support, this one sure thing going up, so I'm gonna double my entry, double my lot size to make the profit, okay, to profit for this rebound. Then what happened? Bearish engulfing. So so that's why, okay, trading the news is never a good idea, okay. So what happened this week was this, CPI numbers, okay, CPI numbers higher than expected, CPI numbers, monthly CPI also increased, okay, the yearly CPI, they expected 8.1, it went to 8.2, hot 8.2, and above 8.3. So this is good for US dollar. All these high is good for US dollar. High CPI numbers, of course, is good for US dollar. That's why it's in green, or else if you are playing stock market, it should be in red. So core CPI also, not including food and energy also still high, means the CPI means the inflation is not under control. You can say that inflation is not under control. Okay, we got some good news here. University of Michigan preliminary Michigan consumer sentiment is still good. Okay, economy is still okay. Looks like still okay. Okay, so what do we have next week? Take a quick look. Okay, Monday we got Empire State Manufacturing Index. Okay, you might want to take a look. This one we got New Zealand dollar, New Zealand CPI numbers quarterly on Tuesday. Maybe you want to take a look. Okay, China GDP. You might want to take a look. Okay, Britain. Okay, so Wednesday we got Britain. Okay, Britain CPI. Okay, they expect 9.1. They expect 10%. So it's still increasing. Okay, if it goes above 10%, will be bad. Okay, for the Britain. Okay, and probably good for the currency. Okay, we got Canada CPI on Wednesday also. Okay, you might want to watch out. Okay, the stronger, the higher the CPI, right, it should be the better for the currency, but it's hard to beat the US dollar no matter how strong you are. Okay, when you go against the US dollar, it will be very difficult. The US dollar is just too strong now. Okay, Thursday, we got employment change for AUD. AUD, you have to watch out the employment rate. And USD, we got manufacturing index, Philadelphia manufacturing index. Not a lot of big, okay, a lot of big one for USD. Only we got CAD CPI. This one you want to watch out if you are trading the CAD. Okay, volatility on Wednesday. Okay, for a pound and CAD. Okay, pound and CAD. Okay, other than that, New Zealand maybe Tuesday. Okay, there are some volatility in New Zealand. And okay, just about that okay, just about okay, look at the currency DXY. Okay, DXY. Okay, we got a pin bar over here. Everybody thought this one is going down, you know. Then it goes up back. It goes back up on Friday. Okay, so a lot of short people starting to short things that the DXY is gonna go down. I mean, you're not shorting the DXY, shorting the USD, right? Okay, so DXY. Now what we get here, a bullish engulfing. Okay, a bullish engulfing. Looks like it's going up. Okay, highly likely, very likely it's coming back to 114. Okay, 114. Big sellers are here. Yeah, the sellers are here at 114. Okay, around 114. These are where the sellers are. Okay. Euro. Okay, maybe DXY want to take a look at the weekly first. You see here, weekly, we still got a pin bar here last week, right? So there are high probability it still want to go up. Okay, look at Euro weekly. Okay, we got a pin bar, a reverse pin bar here. Looks like a Euro is coming back down to, okay, to 0.9647. Okay, Euro looks like it's still we got an inside bar here, so this is still uncertain. Okay, which way you want to go? Swiss franc. Okay, Swiss franc also we got a inside bar here. Okay, means this bar inside this bar, so there's some kind of consolidation here. Okay, so there's a bit bearish here because after it breaks down, okay, it looks a bit bearish. Still look a bit bearish. Japanese yen is very weak. Okay, Japanese yen is weak. DXY should be going up. Okay, should be going up. So Japanese yen is weak. Okay, Japanese yen is weak. And Canadian dollar. Okay, Canadian dollar we got somewhat of a inside bar also. Okay, but the body looks like a bit bearish, engulfing, a bit weak. Aussie dollar also looks like weak. Okay, New Zealand dollar. Okay, New Zealand dollar is consolidating. It's not weak and it's not strong. Okay, it's neutral. Okay, so okay, look at Euro USD. Look at the weekly chart. Okay, we got pin bar over here, so very likely, okay, the momentum should be going down next week. Okay, what do we want to see here today? There is some resistance here. Okay, Euro USD, we got resistance here. Okay, a rebound. Okay, a rebound during after the CPI numbers, you see, and then we see a drop here. Okay, but this one, how would I trade? I will still wait for a let me see the 4 hours. 1, 2, 3. Okay, there is a possible continuation trade if you want. Okay, either you want to wait for a retracement towards this area. Okay, a retracement towards this area 0.99037, or there is a possibility you can sell off a break here. Okay, 1, 2, 3 break. Okay, 1. Okay, a break of this high, there's a possible the price might come to here. Okay, the break of this low here. Okay, so the price might come back to 0.949541461. Okay, so let me draw the line here. Okay, so I just add an alert here for our cross. Okay, if the price cross through here, there is a possible sell. Okay, there is a possible sell towards 0.95468. Okay, either you wait for a retracement or a 1, 2, 3 continuation. Okay, pound USD, I took the sell trade over here. Okay, I took the sell trade over here. This was a trade. Okay, this was a trade. So I this one we got a 945 in profit. Okay, so I didn't actually get 945. If it dropped a little bit, I actually out during the this one. Okay, after I see this bullish pin bar. Okay, so this capture was during the light trade. Okay, so I get around 800. The final amount okay that I exited okay was around 800 USD. Okay, 790 something I think. Okay, so that was this trade. Okay, now we are still looking to sell. Okay, it's very, you can see, right, it's still quite on a downtrend, you see. But we see on the weekly we see a dodgy here. Okay, so there's some uncertainty here. Let's see the 4 hours. What do we get? Okay, 4 hours. This one I'll have to wait and see. Okay, I don't see how we can trade this. Okay, maybe if we make a double top over here, then maybe we can make a sell. I'm still waiting to sell. Okay, if we make a double top at the 4 hours here, maybe you want to sell. Okay, this one you just watch. So your USD, you're really tradable. Okay, tradable. We are waiting for the 1, 2, 3 break. Okay, 1, 2, 3 break. Okay, 1, 2, 3 break. Okay, for pound USD. Pound USD, we are looking for a double top here. If it did happen, okay, a double top in the 4 hours, then maybe we can have a sell. Okay, so this one wait for double top. Okay, wait for the price retrace a bit and then it start to go down. Okay, so this one wait a bit for the double top. USD GBPY, okay, the price has gone. We have to wait for a retracement. Okay, the price already broke out. Okay, I didn't go in because I said when the central bank start to interfere, we don't like to trade. Okay, this one. Okay, so this one, okay, this one wait for a retracement. Only we can trade only after a retracement. Okay, this one no choice. We have to wait for retracement. Retracement to this area. 144. Okay, 144. These are the buyers now. Buyers are here. Okay, at 144. Okay, wait for buy Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar weekly. Okay, we got big bearish candle. Okay, so this one looks like it's going down. It's going down all the way. So looks like 4 hours. See what can we get here? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3 break. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, a break of the bottom here. You can sell probably towards here. Okay, towards so these are all sellers now. Okay, the buyers. Okay, the buyers lost. So now sellers. Okay, so there is a 1, 2, 3 sell continuation probably possible. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, similar something like this. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so a break, possible sell. Okay, so this one possible sell trade. Okay, 1, 2, 3 sell. Or okay, if it doesn't break through, if the price reverse, then we want to look for sell here. Okay, sell at this where the sellers are here. Okay, the sellers are here. 0.64227 and 0.65227. So these are the area. If it does retrace back, we want to sell here. Okay. If it breaks through, we want to sell after the break. Okay, pound USD. We got some consolidation over here. Look at the 4 hours. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, there could be a 1, 2, 3 continuation. So where are the resistance? Let me see. Wow, look at that. Okay, probably the next resistance. Let's mark it. Bias. Could be bias here. Here. Okay, this is weak. Okay, because this was broken through, this was broken through. Okay, so this one probably also will be quite weak. Okay, the strong one is here. Wow, so there's a possibility that this USD going to storm down towards towards oblivion. Hey, where is so much empty space? Okay, it might storm down to infinity. Okay, it breaks down. Oh, there is one line here. Okay, so it does have a resistance here at 0.5 support at 0.53876. Okay, which is not very strong. Okay, so there's a potential that it can storm down to this area. Okay, so we have to just wait and see. Okay. If you want to trade, if you want to trade in a safer method, right? Because sometimes there's a lot of false break. Okay, the 1 2 3 continuation, 1 2 3 continuation. Sometimes there are false break. The price break above, it comes back down, comes back, go back the other way. Means the candle break below and then it go back up, false break. Okay, so if you are more conservative, maybe you want to wait for retest. Means the price break down this area, come back 4 hours to retest, then only you look for the sell. Okay, you might want to do that instead of straight away sell at the break. Okay, it's up to you. You're aggressive, you can sell at the break. If you are more conservative, maybe you want to wait for the retest. Okay, just like here, right? Just like here. Just like this one. Okay, let me see. No, this one is not 1 2 3 break. Okay, this one you can see, right? Okay, 1, okay, 2 3 break. Okay, break, right? After the break, you see it came back and retest before it goes down again. Okay, there's a possibility it might do that. Just to okay, so you might want to wait for retest. You are more conservative. Look at what Fibonacci tells us. Okay, so this is a 50% retracement. Okay, so the target is 168, 168. Okay, so here, okay, so the target is here, 0.538, 0.53836. Okay, this is also possible. USD Swiss franc. Look at the weekly. Wow, why the other side is so big? You don't use RSI. This one is for my stock market analysis. Stock market smart MCDX analysis is for stock market. Okay, so I don't use it. Okay, look at the weekly USD Swiss franc. Okay, a breakout of resistance. Okay, so looks like this one, and it came back retest. Look at the 4 hours. Okay, it broke the resistance, came back retest. Looks like going up again. Okay, this one, how would I trade this? Look at the daily chart. What sort of pattern? Okay, this one we got an inside bar here. Market hasn't moved very much. Okay, after break, it's still not yet moved in a lot. Okay, potential there's a possible buy after break of this inside bar. Okay, after break of this formation, okay, there's a potential buy. Okay, this one is a bit difficult. 1 2 3, but the distance is not very good distance, not very big distance for it to play the 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1, 2, 3. It breaks, came back, retest. Okay. 1, 2, 3, continuation. Okay, looks like we have to use this one. Okay, the 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, continuation, break this top. So we're expecting it to come to this area. Okay, this area. Okay, which is Fibonacci, we are looking at 0.618. 0.618. We are looking for 161 and above. Okay. $1.618 and above. Okay, so our target automatically is here. Okay, automatically it's around 1.0135. Okay, if the price breaks above, okay, you might want to wait for a buy. The price already break above lah. So if it continue next week, it continue go above this candle, right? This candle, okay. So if there is a possibility of another buy here. Okay, if it breaks above, there's a possible another buy. USDCAD. Look at the weekly. Wow, big bullish candle. But there's some sell. There are some sell. There are some pin bar over here. So this one also everybody got Q. Okay, so everyone thought that the USD is going to rebound. So everyone buy after the high inflation numbers, but it dropped below. But it dropped suddenly. So all the bulls who bought the USD after the high inflation numbers, okay, all got wiped out. Okay, then they think, oh yeah, so now these market makers want to turn the market around. Okay, turn it to a sell. Okay, so I go in and jump into a sell bandwagon. What happened? A bullish candle the next day. So wipe out both sides. Okay, so this one probably you want to go up. Okay, we are looking for 1, 2, 3 continuation. 1, 2, 3 continue, but there is not enough gap to play. There's too much resistance at the top. So this one I'm not very keen. Okay. 1, 2, 3. A lot of resistance over here. So I'm not very keen. 1, 2, 3 already break. Okay, 1, 2, 3. There's a lot of resistance over here. So I'm not very keen on this one. Okay, I'm not keen on this one. Pound JPY. Okay, pound JPY is as resistant. So this one have to wait and see. Okay, there's a lot of selling pressure here. You know, bull sellers. Okay, sellers. So a lot of sellers here. This one we have to wait and see. Okay, after it cleanly break through this one, then a retest, then I will only go for buy. Okay, this one. Okay, it's 168, 167. Okay, a clean break above, retest, resumption, then I will only buy. Okay, so this one you have to wait and see. I have to wait for a clean break. Euro JPY, also same thing. Okay, the sellers are here. Okay, here and here. Okay, so I'm not very keen, okay, to buy yet because we haven't broken through all the sellers here. Okay, I want to wait for a break, retest, resumption. I already drawn here. Okay, I already drawn here. Same to pound JPY also, same. Okay, I will draw my strategy. Okay, this is what I'm waiting for. Okay, go. Look at the weekly. Weekly very bearish. We got a bearish engulfing. Okay, we got very bearish. We got bearish engulfing. Looks like it's going to go down some more. Let's see the 4 hours. What can we get? Nothing much we can help me. Nothing much. Except we got a somewhat of a head and shoulder. Okay, broken the neckline. Okay, so this one is going down. Okay, probably how you want to trade this is want to wait for a 1, 2, 3 break. This one, the big one. the daily one. Okay, a break below 16227. Okay, you want to continue to sell it down. Okay. Okay, maybe you might want to wait for a retest. A break below, retest, only you want to sell. Okay. Oh, this one is big bearish candle. We don't need to see the weekly. We know it's a big bearish candle. Okay. So this one, let me see. How do we want to trade this? Broken. Silver. Okay, silver. Better wait for a break of this area. Break of 17,745. Okay. Look at the SPI. We got a dodgy bar here. Okay, 1, 2. Look at the 4 hours. Nothing much to trade. I don't see anything here. You have to wait. Okay, wait. This one, there's no formation here to trade. But very likely, because price got rejected over here, 6778, likely it's coming back to 6540, but there's not a lot of room to play. Look at the DAX. Okay, the DAX got rejection pin bar over here, so there is a chance. It's a sell opportunity. Let me see. I think Monday it will retrace a bit. Okay, before it goes down. Okay, I think it will retrace a bit. Normally after a pin bar, right, there is a 50% retracement before the pin bar goes down. So if we do get a 50% retracement, okay, we might want to sell this. Okay, what happened is that we get a 50% retracement, we got a lower low. Okay, we got a 1, 2, 3 reversal. After it does this, then maybe I want to sell it down to this area. Okay, so there's potential 1, 2, 3 reversal over here. Okay, after this pin bar, a retracement going back down, you want to sell this one towards 118, probably towards 118. Okay, or toward this low over here, this low. It's 11955. Okay, right, this low. Okay, wait for a retracement. Okay, then you want to sell. Okay, we want to wait for a double top. So this one, okay, possible. Okay, possible. Nasdaq, we got bearish engulfing. Look at the weekly. Okay, weekly, we got pin bar continuation. Okay, look at the daily. We got bearish engulfing. Okay, bearish engulfing. So what we want to do at the 4 hours? Let's see. Too near to resistance, too near to support. Nothing much we can trade this one. Too near to support. 10,508. So I'm not trading this one. Okay, this one also too near to the support. Okay, no doubt there is an opportunity, but it's too near to the support. And too hectic. This one better. I'm not trading this also. Dow Jones also. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Let's see. Look at 4 hours. Okay, Dow Jones, we got rejection over here, right? The rejection over here. 306. Okay, this area. Okay, 306.38. We got rejection between this zone. Okay. So this one, probably there is a sell opportunity. Okay, we got a bearish pin bar here. There's a sell opportunity. What I would look for is maybe, okay, I will look for another I will look for another retracement up. Then I might want to look for sell. But I'm not very keen on this one. I'll let you know. Because the room is not very big. So this one I'm not keen. Look at crude oil. Okay, crude oil, look at the weekly. Okay, weekly we got not a very bearish sign, but it still look bearish a bit. Okay, 1, 2, oh, okay. Okay, so this one we got 1, 2, 3 reversal. 1, 2, 3 reversal. Okay, so the price broke down. There is a good chance that it's coming back. It's coming back to here. Okay, coming back to here. Okay, 81. Okay, so there's a good chance that it's coming back to 81 after this bearish engulfing. There's a good chance it's coming back here. Okay, because the risk reward is not a lot. Okay, from the target to my from here to target, so I'm not very keen to take this one. Okay, because you see, right, the stop loss and the target is quite near. Okay, it's almost equal. It's not 2 to 1, so I'm not very keen. Look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin also got Q. Okay. Okay, Bitcoin. Okay, after the CPI numbers, everyone start to sell here. They think the stock market is going to plummet. Everybody start to sell the Bitcoin. Okay, after that, after they sell, the bulls push it back up. Okay, then we got a big pin bar here. Then the sellers think, oh, now the market is sure got the reverse, so I'm going to buy in this time, make back all my losses, revenge on the market. So what happened? The market gone down after a reversal. So this one looks like it's going down some more. Look at the weekly. Weekly is indecisive. We got a dodgy bar here. Okay, so probably this one I will not trade. Okay, two pin bar in a row, no thanks. Okay, this one also same. Ethereum also 2 pin bar in a row, no thanks. Litecoin also almost like 2 pin bars. So I'm not trading this. Okay, so the opportunity best is the German DAX. Okay, DAX is 1, 2, 3 continuation. Possible wait for another. Okay, possible wait for another. Another retracement on this pin bar. DAX. Okay, wait for price to retrace a bit before we sell, so we get a big enough risk and reward. Okay. For DAX, New Zealand dollar USD. New Zealand dollar USD, we want to look for continuation pattern. Okay, 1, 2, 3 continuation. Okay, or you put it, I think here, it's the same lah. Okay, 1, 2, 3 cannot break. This one already 2 times. So this one right, once it retest 2 times, I think better wait for confirmation. So I want to just double check this one. This one wait for confirmation. I'm not keen this one. Okay, because normally, right, 1, okay, 2, this time, right, it should already break. Okay, if this time it doesn't break, right, the 1, 2, 3 it didn't break, it went up another bottom, right. This one you have to wait for the price to break, retest, resumption. You have to better wait for confirmation. Okay, because this one, after if the first time it retest the high, right, the low, right, it didn't break through. Okay, this might become a sideways market. Okay, we want the first time it retest, it breaks. Okay, same with Aussie. Okay, Aussie 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, Aussie, if it breaks this one, 3 re-break this one, it's okay. It's clean. Okay, it's clean. Okay, 1, 2, 3, clean. Okay, if it cannot break, if it comes to here, then it start to push back. Come to here, start to push back. Then this one can become sideways. Okay, pound USD. Okay, pound USD. Yeah, pound USD. We are not waiting for another. Okay, another leg down because of the pin bar, right? We do have a pin bar, right? Oh no, we don't have a pin bar. Okay, we don't have a pin bar. Okay, if you combine these two together, right, you get a pin bar. Do you know what I mean? Okay, if you combine these two together, this one minus this one, and this one is the body. You got a bullish body, okay, bullish body, but pin. We do have a tail at the back. So this is considered half semi pin bar, right? But it doesn't happen in one day. If you combine this one as a 1 day, right, it's a 2 day. But if you combine it as a 1 day, you can see this is actually a, if 2 days you combine to one, right, this is actually a tail bar. Okay, so there is a possibility of here, Pound USD and Euro USD. Okay, Euro USD, let me see, double check again. Oh, Euro USD also a bit dangerous. Okay, one test, two tests, it didn't go through. Best you want to play this one, you wait for the break. Okay, but the target is not, it's too near. Okay, after revise, yeah, the target is too near, so I'm not very keen to play this. The support is the support is too near. Okay, this one no. No, Pound USD, probably if we get a retracement down, probably I might want to try AUD USD. 1, 2, 3 continuation break, probably I want to try. Go, okay. Go 1, 2, 3 continuation break, I might want to try. DEX. Okay, DEX on the pin bar, I might want to try. Okay, so these are the one that you might want to try this week. Okay, so remember, support the channel, subscribe, like, share, and comment. Okay, push the channel up a bit for me. Okay, and always share this with your friend. Try your best to share this with your friend. Okay, give me some motivation to do, because the channel actually dropped a lot. You know, from the viewers, I used to have close to 1,000. We only get 30 views. But these are, I mean, I continue to do this because every day I still need to do this analysis. This is the analysis. What I analyze here is the same strategy that I will use to trading. Okay, even though I record this video or I don't record this video, this is what I'm going to do every day before I going for a trade. Okay, going to the new week for trading. Okay, whatever opportunity I discuss here, I will mark it, I will write it down in a journal. Okay, so every day I will look at the journal, see what are the pair that I might want to trade. Okay, so that's it. So do remember, support the channel, share this for me. Okay, put it in your social media, share this in your WhatsApp group. Okay, whichever. Okay, try to pump up this one. So I got more motivation to do. Okay, continue to do this video. And nowadays you see that I don't actually do that many of this video. Okay, the forex video, because the viewers is a bit low. Okay, but nonetheless, okay, this is something that I need to do every day. Only that recording it takes a bit more time, you know. But I do want to help. Okay, share my experience with you guys. You know, in the what are the setup in the market. Okay, so do share this for me. Okay, I'll talk to you again next week. Bye bye.